This is the first scenario. What song can you give me when you are stuck in traffic?
Pare ko by Erase Reds. Oh, pare ko, meron akong problema. Huwag mong sabihin na naman, hinlab ako sa isang kolehiyala. Di ko maintindihan. Ang ganda ng kantang yun.
Oh, ang ganda ng boses mo.
Yun eh. Basta yung kanta na yun ay, it's like you're in the mirror. Like, ako to eh. Ganun magsulat yung Erase Reds. Kaya talagang sobrang love
The
na love
impact
eh.
talaga that they had on you to kickstart your music
Let's
career.
go.
No?
Let's go.
Okay,
Another
next.
mood.
Next mood, realizing you've fallen in love.
Ooh. I've ordered some rain for tomorrow. The sky will be sunny but wet. But I don't know when you're gonna be there. And I say, yeah, pardon me, haven't we met? Yeah.
You can just sing the entire show. The
Wag-
entire 20 minutes, could you
Huwag
just
baka
sing?
makatulog ka.
No!
No. I'm not offended when people, like, parang sabi nila, nakakaantok daw yung boses
Very
mo.
lullaby yung
Oo.
boses mo kasi.
Like, sa mga shows, it's okay na medyo parang napipikit na ng konti yung hindi ako masyadong na-offend actually.
Okay. So it's a good thing for you.
It's a good,
Alam mong it's not because they were bored.
Yeah,
It's because they were relaxed.
Yeah. I remembered my brother used to play my album sa baby niya pag umiiyak. Pag plinay na daw niya yung album ko, tumatahimik yung baby.
That's so moving.
Ang weird,
Aw, Tito Jono.
Tito Jono, yeah.
Hey, thanks for watching.
For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are